Hello, this is Shubhra. Welcome to Citrus Aroma. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and quick recipe for breakfast. If you are trying to maintain or lose your weight, then this is for you. You can make this recipe with easily available ingredients in your kitchen, and look how soft it is, and it's very yummy. I'll start with cracking 4 eggs in a mixing bowl. Beat the eggs using a hand mixer. Add salt as per taste. I'm adding 1/4 cup gram flour or besan. If you don't want to use gram flour, replace it with whole wheat flour, or you can add almond flour for low carb. I am adding half chopped onions, 1½ medium-sized tomatoes, you can add any other veggies like shredded carrot or shredded cabbage. Adding a bunch of chopped spinach. Mix them together. Add pepper as per taste. I am adding half teaspoon baking powder, which is optional. Give it a nice and final mix. Heat a non-stick pan and apply some oil or butter. Pour required amount of mixture into the pan. Spread it evenly with the back of the ladle. The flame should be on medium now. Cook for about 2 minutes each side. Now it's time to flip the pancake. Flip and cook it for about 2 minutes other side. Same way, let's fry the other pancakes. And it's ready. Serve it hot with some tomato ketchup and some green chutney. It's very easy. At the same time, it's very healthy with lot of vegetables. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for new contents every week. Please like, share and subscribe. Your likes and comments really motivate the creator to make new contents. Thank you for watching. Bye.